Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this ride-on toy manufactured by Panda Baby Products. The box of this rider includes a steering wheel, 2 support arms, the main body, a parental handle, and a backrest.
First, open the cell cap on the steering and insert 2 AA batteries in the slots present.
Flip the main body and unscrew the cell cap present at the bottom of the body. Insert 2 AA batteries in the slots for light and sound. Now, unscrew the washer as shown in the video. Place the steering wheel as shown and then tighten the screw. Take the footrest and fix it in its place as shown. Finally, take the backrest and insert it in the slot as shown in this video. The parental handle can be pushed in the slot present at the top of the backrest. The 2 support arms can be fixed for your toddler's safety. Now this Beetle rider is ready for your little one to ride.